Dude, with inflation, are you sure it's a good idea? There's a lot of craziness going on right now with pricing and everything like that. I mean, this thing is flat. I'll probably be able to do a slab foundation here instead of a crawl space. Thank you for joining. A lot of flies and stuff and poison ivy, so we got to get up out of here. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Nikos Property Show. It is time for a new project. We are going to be building a duplex. I'm so happy, I'm so excited. This is going to be just another journey that I've not been on yet, but now that I have my contractor's license, now that I'm gonna be able to do all these different things, we're gonna jump in and be able to build a duplex, which I'm very excited about because I went out, searched for property, which I'm gonna take you to right now, and found some property. And within 24 hours, I put in an offer, got it for what I wanted it for, made sure there was sewer ran to it, all the utilities and everything like that, and it's a nice piece of property. I'm very excited to finally get started over there. Can't wait to see how this all unravels. Just one of these experiences where I'm just getting things done that I've not done before, but that's how you gotta do it. You gotta jump in sometime, and people are coming at me like, dude, with inflation, are you sure it's a good idea? We'll talk about that at the property. I don't wanna talk about that too much right now. I just wanna let y'all know what was going on. We're gonna go jump in the truck, head over there. I'm gonna show you around, and we're gonna get this party started, baby. So anyways, enough talking. Let's jump in the truck real quick and head over there. Alrighty, y'all, so it is time to head over to the property. I'm very excited. This is something where it's like, man, new project, new beginnings. This is the time. And there's a lot of craziness going on right now with pricing and everything like that, but that's okay. We're gonna start this truck up. We're gonna head over there, walk the property a little bit, see really what we're working with. I'm excited, man. I mean, it's literally 99 degrees here in Chattanooga, Tennessee. So if you look right here, 99 degrees, it's hot here, but we're gonna get straight to work. I'm very excited. Can't wait to bring you on this journey. Let's do it, baby. We're building a duplex. Let's make some income. Let's make some money. Let's do it. Let's go. All right, y'all, here we are. We are on the property. Bunch of trees, of course. We will have to do a bunch of clearing and everything like that. But I am very excited. I even got a nice little driveway right there. So this is very exciting because this is under contract. I've already got it under contract. We're just waiting on a few things with the bank and everything like that to make sure everything goes through. I'm very happy. I can't wait. We're going to jump out here, walk a little bit, make sure that everything looks nice. There's just so much opportunity here. I cannot wait to finally get this thing started, get it surveyed, get it going. But we're going to go out here, check it out, and just see how it looks. Literally, this is my first time actually walking into the property, even though I've already got it under contract. So let's check it out. Alrighty, y'all, here we are. Beautiful property. I mean, this thing is flat. I'll probably be able to do a slab foundation here instead of a crawl space like I did on my house. So if you were watching my house build, you can see. And if you haven't watched my house, go check out all those videos. We got like 69 episodes or something. I mean, this property is beautiful. I can't wait to get in here with a brush cat and really just knock down all these small twigs, trees, get it cleared out, and then we can bring in like the mini X or the big excavator and start dropping trees and everything like that. It's not burning season right now, so I would have to get everything hauled off in a dumpster, but that's all right. I'll actually kind of walk through here a little bit in a second and just kind of go around seeing what all this looks like. I mean, this is beautiful, honestly, but oh yeah, I hope there's no poison ivy here. Mr. Cameraman, do be careful. We don't want you getting poison ivy. I'm not that, it doesn't get onto me that much, but just kind of looking in here, oh yeah, this looks darn good. Oh, with a brush cat, get all this stuff knocked out. This is, oh my gosh, dude, this is gonna be phenomenal. I can't wait. Move some dirt around, get the bobcat out here. Oh yeah, talk about opportunity, baby. We're gonna make something happen out here. Who's excited? Drop a comment. Let me know if you're excited, if you wanna watch a duplex get built. Like, talk about, you know, when people say passive income, residual income, this is getting into real estate. I told y'all, Nikos Property Show, we're gonna make this thing happen. Like, I'm excited. It's a new journey for me too. Like, I've been doing social media and all these different things, traveling the world with my other YouTube channel, Back to Life. This is for real, for real. Like, I'm about to be building this duplex. I just built my house, and I'm excited. Wow. This is awesome. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, dude. All right, y'all, so before I jump off of this property, I always like to come out to whatever I'm doing, any project in life, and just kind of bless the property, say a prayer over it. So we're gonna do that real quick. So Lord, I thank you for this day. I thank you for protecting us in everything that we do. I pray that you bless this property, protect me on this property, keep me from any evil, Lord, or anybody that wants to cause any harm. And if this deal is meant to happen, you let it happen and let this project be amazing. I pray all this in your name, amen. So we are anointed, we are ready to go, we are blessed, and we are going to do a phenomenal duplex here if it all works out. I always leave it up to God. I'm a man of faith. If you're not a person of faith, get to know Jesus Christ. I believe in Jesus Christ and I'm blessed. I can't wait to finally do this project, y'all. I mean, this is a beautiful piece of property. We're going to walk to the end over here just to see how long it really goes. It's about 75 feet by 150 feet, if I'm not mistaken, after looking at the plat and everything that's recorded. But I'm very excited for this. This is going to be an awesome experience. Thank you for joining. A lot of flies and stuff and poison ivy, so we got to get up out of here. Let's go. Well, it goes pretty deep. There's some dogs that live in the backyard. We ain't gonna fool with them. I can hear people. Oh yeah, it's some good dirt, baby. Man, I tell you what, this is anointed right here, okay? I ain't playing. Y'all think I'm playing, I ain't playing. It just, I knew it. I pulled up on the street, I knew it. It was mine. If it all works out, okay, because we're posting this video and we still under contract, so we'll see how that works. Somebody threw a little bit of trash over here, that's fine. We'll get it out of here. I'll get dumpsters over here. Yeah. I'm ready, baby. I hope y'all are too. See, power's on this side of the road, and I don't want overhead power. I hate that crap. But hey, it's what comes with it, baby. Shout out to Ukraine. I'm actually Ukrainian if this is your first time watching me, so I speak Ukrainian. My siblings were born in Ukraine, 3 of them. My parents were born over there when it was still the Soviet Union. We're just here living the American dream, baby. Alrighty, y'all, so we are done here at the property. I'm very excited, but check this out, 102 degrees. I am sweating profusely, man. Like, I am dripping. I can feel it, but I love it. I love being hot. I love this Tennessee heat. We're gonna actually go to the car wash, and I'm gonna get me a truck wash, and we're gonna go through that drive-through real quick, get this thing nice and cleaned, and then we're gonna go back to my house, and I'm gonna talk about some of the things that are gonna go into me actually being able to do this, as far as getting a bank loan, doing things like that, me starting my business, and all these different things. So anyways, enough talking here at the truck. We're gonna go through the car wash real quick, the truck wash, and then we'll be back at the house probably within 30 minutes. Alrighty, y'all, so we actually stopped at Publix on the way home, and I got to tell y'all a little trick about life. Publix has half off sushi, well, $5 sushi on Wednesdays. So I got the salmon roll right here, and it's a nice little pick-me-up snack, man. Check this out right here. We got the salmon roll with the spicy mayo on it right there, and I already said grace, okay? So I prayed over it. We're good to go. Little snack. I love me some sushi. Oh yeah, $5 sushi, baby. I'll see you at the house. Alrighty, y'all, so we are back home, and I'm so excited to finally get this project started. I cannot wait. It was hot out there. We were walking through those freaking woods, but guess what? Now it is time to get all the finances in line and make sure we can make this project happen. So I've already been in touch with the bank. I've already talked to my local bank that I have a personal relationship with, and I've told them about what I want to do. They're like, okay, give me a cost breakdown, send me the plans, and let me know that you actually have the land under contract, and we can get you a construction loan. So if you ever want to get into construction and you want to be a builder or contractor, you can actually work with banks like this because they're knowing that you're going to build a product that you're going to rent out to somebody. So once we actually refi that construction loan, when I say refi, I mean refinance into a actual, a business loan or a mortgage, whatever it's going to be, then after that, basically your tenants are going to be paying that off. So the bank knows that. They're excited because they've worked with you before. So it's a bank that I've used in the past as well. So I'm excited for this process. that's how you do it. I mean, you got to build these relationships. You know, business is about networking. So if you're networking out here and you're building these relationships with banks and you're actually taking your craft serious and you're doing what you're doing on a daily basis, getting better and growing, they're going to be willing to take that risk and allow you to go out and build certain stuff with money that they're willing to put on the line because they are making, you know, interest off of you. So I'm excited for that. I can't wait to finally start this new project. This is like, I've been looking and searching, and finally we found the land. We're under contract, and if it all works out, again, you know, this is all just, you know, hearsay, I guess. It's under contract, but until that land is actually mine, once it's done, we start building, then I know and feel like, okay, look, this project is underway. Until that point, you know, anything can happen, but I hope it all works out. We'll see what happens, but I think it's time to end out this video. Alrighty, y'all, so it is the end of this video, and I am very happy to start this, and I'm so glad that you're gonna join this journey with me. But regardless, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and make sure you follow me on all social platforms, especially Instagram, if you want sneak peeks of things and anything like that. Without further ado, smile more, worry less, and stay blessed. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.